G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to plant potatoes that are sprouting, which you might have left in your cupboard and they've grown all little weird things all over them. I'm going to show you how to plant those using hay. And in a nutshell, what this involves is basically just breaking up your ground a little bit, plopping them on top of that ground and then covering them with a layer of hay, or in my case, I've just slashed the paddock, so I've got a bunch of dried up grass which I'm going to just lay on top there. So I'm going to show you what that looks like now and we'll get into it. Your patch might look a lot nicer than this. We've let the grass overgrow it a little bit, so what I'm doing is breaking it up with a mattock here, just to remove most of that grass. I'm not going to pick it all out because I'm pretty lazy. In your case, you might have a plot that's pretty much ready to go. You might just lightly rake it or something just to give a bit of texture and get some air into it. But yeah, so I'm just going to smash that out now. Alright, awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I've got a bag of these, which we left in the cupboard, just can't miss the opportunity to use them, and now they're sprouting. I'm going to pop them just spaced out roughly in the ground. See that here? Now for the part that you've all been waiting for, we're going to top these with a layer of hay. And the idea is that you don't have to dig or pull up or anything like that. They're just sort of sitting on that surface and you put the hay on top. And once you start seeing the tops of potatoes, as they're growing, so over the next couple of days or weeks or however long that takes, you just add more hay on top of that just to keep them buried. The potatoes don't like the sunlight. You'll see they'll start turning green if they're actually exposed to sunlight, so you want to make sure that there's a good covering of hay over those, but you'll see that as they come up. And so yeah, I'm going to pop that down now. Right, so that's looking pretty good now. What I'm going to do is just give this a quick water on top, just to wet the hay and make it stay put, so that the next time there's a wind it doesn't just blow away on me. Now that's there. The next part of this is just the waiting game. So hopefully over the next little bit we start to see the greens popping out of there. Once I start seeing leaves and things come out of this mulch pile here, I'll keep a closer eye on it, watch for the tops of actual potatoes coming up. Once I see that, I'll just pop some more hay down and yeah, keep it going that way. And the benefit of this method that I've seen is that when your potatoes are ready to harvest, they're not so hard to dig out. So I've had it before where we've buried them directly in the ground. We've come along with the pitchfork to just try and get them out. And half the time I end up spearing the potato itself, and I've got two halves of potato which I essentially have to eat straight away. So this is good for the fact that you can see where they are, how they're going, and it's relatively low maintenance and easy to do. So yeah, you have to wait for an update and see how we go there. Yeah, this is also good too for if you have big lawns like me where you get a lot of this stuff. It's great for mulching your garden, it's great for suppressing weeds, and now it's good for growing potatoes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and yeah, hopefully there's more good stuff on the way. Catch you later.